Hi guys, this is Vishal. Welcome to fifth session of Selenium 4 tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to take a screenshot of a web element, right? So in Selenium we can take screenshot of entire page, and there was no provision to take screenshot of specific web element, right? But now in Selenium 4, this is being introduced. Now users can take screenshot of specific web element, right? So let's see how we can achieve that, right? So this is a sample code to take a screenshot of a page, right? This is what we are doing right now in Selenium 3, right? Normal code. But how to take a screenshot of an web element, right? So let's see that. So for to take a screenshot of page, we need to have a instance of text screenshot, and then store it in a file, and then copy a file to a specific location, right? To take a screenshot of web element, we need to first find the web element, right? So let me go here and inspect it. So let's take this class name. Okay, let's copy it. Using this we can find an element. Driver dot find element by class name, right? And this is the class name that we are going to use, right? Okay, let's store this in web element. Great, so we'll get the element, right? Once we get the element, so now there is one function that is instead get screenshot as, right? And we have to just pass it output type, right? And we can store it in a file. Okay, let's give it a name file1. Now again, so to copy file we are using common IO library. So it has many function related to file utils and string utils, all like that, right? So we can use directly that one, and I'll give it a element png as a name, right? Okay, and here we need to pass file1, right? So now it will, okay, so driver dot quit, and let me add one wait time of 3 seconds at least, and surround with try catch. Yeah. Okay, now this is done. Now let's run this one and let's see how it takes the screenshot of page as well as element, right? So the web page is opened, Selenium dev took screenshot of the page, and I think of web element, and browser is closed. Okay, so of for page we have given a name screenshot.png, right? So let's open this screenshot.png. Yeah, so this is a page screenshot, right? And for element we have given name element.png, right? So let's see element. Yeah, see. So you you can remember, right? This is the logo that we for which we selected the class name, and we return a locator find elements, right? And the screenshot is for that one only, right? So this is how we can achieve or take a screenshot of a web element. This is all for this session or video. Please like and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.